Hi everybody, my name is Troy Hawes and welcome to my Acoustic Lounge. Hey, I want to let you in on a little secret. Did you know that by learning 7 basic chords and having a general understanding of bar chords, you can literally play hundreds of songs? Let's take a couple of minutes now and look at one of those chords. The mighty G chord, probably the most used chord in all of guitar and is a must learn. Let's have a closer look at it now. Starts on the top string, which is also known as the 6th string. Using your second finger, go to the 3rd fret. This particular individual note is simply a G note. You're going to use your first finger, 2nd fret, 5th string. That's a B. 4th string is left open. That's a D. 3rd string is left open. That's a G. You're going to use your 3rd finger, go to the 3rd fret, 2nd string. That's a D. And lastly, your 4th finger. You're going to go to the 3rd fret. You're going to go to the 1st string. And that's a G. This is a complete G chord. Again, a must learn for all guitar players.